See how I make this juicy, delicious sea marinade. So stay tuned. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be preparing Italian delicious seafood called cozze. I don't really know what it's called in English, but I think it's called mozzo marine in English, stuff like that. So I'll be showing you. You can see the cozze. This one is the cozze. You can see it's special Italian gist. So I didn't take you guys along when I cook it. I cooked it yesterday because it has a lot of work. You can see you have to wash it very well with knife. You use a knife to scrape all the skin to make sure you wash it before you cook it. You cook it for some while, and then when you are cooking it, you see that it's open like this, then you will know that yeah, it's already ready to cook. So we are going to be making the sauce. Okay, you can see this is the particular thing you are going to be eating, the one inside. You can see even if I wash it yesterday yesterday I washed it very well, and you can still see when cooking it you don't add salt because it's already salty. So when cooking it, you can see I wash it very well because there's all those lot of sea sand, sea trash, stuff like that tying it up. This one has the skin of the stuff, so you have to wash it. Even now I'm going to be applying water into it to rest it. Then I have my bowl. I'm going to be putting oil on my bowl, little bit of oil, guys. Little bit of oil on my bowl. Before the oil, I'm going to be putting, this is special Italian delicacy, okay? If you have been to Italian store or you are coming to Italy for summer or for vacation, you'll be seeing this type of stuff in their restaurants. It's called seafood. They have different type of it. They use it to cook pasta, to cook spaghetti, to cook rice. They put it in their rice also. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting here, I have my garlic. Okay, you can see my garlic here. I'm going to be putting garlic and little bit of onion inside the pot. And see. Then I'm going to turn it. My kitchen is always clean, okay? If you see me, it fall down here because here is clean. That is why I was able to put it inside, okay? You can see. Then you need salsa di pomodoro. Salsa di pomodoro, you can use stick tomatoes. You can use the salsa di pomodoro, or or you can grind your normal tomatoes to get your tomato paste. So I'll be using this particular one. You know this thing is not much, so I'm going to be using this particular one. You can see I'm going to add it and allow it to fry. I'll turn it. You can see I have something like this, right? No, it's no longer slapping. Then I'm going to add my pepper to it. Usually Italy do not add pepper to it. If you are buying in a restaurant, they don't put pepper. So you will be the one to request for pepper for them. You know, it's an African home. So what we have, I'm going to turn this water into it. Yeah, you have something like this. I'm going to see if there is pepper inside. So I'll be adding a little bit of water to it. I'm going to see if there is pepper inside. Yes, the next thing, I'm going to add a little bit of pinch of salt, because this cozze already has salt. Inside. So you're not going to be putting a lot of salt, okay? I'll be adding a pinch of pepper. This pepper is optional. If you want, you add. You are the kind of person that do not eat pepper like that. So I'm going to turn it. If you like, you can add seasoning cube. But when I was working in restaurants, I don't add seasoning cube when I'm making it. So if you can, now if you want, you can add seasoning cube as well. Then I'm going to be putting this particular leaf. I don't know if you can see. Oregano. If you want, you put, there is no particular leaf you put. That one is fresh one. It's called mussels. If you want, you can put that. I like to put this, okay? So I'll be putting this one. And I allow everything to cook. You can see what we have here. So it's about to put our cozze. So this is the water of the cozze. I'm going to remove it. We are going to allow it to cook for some minutes in a low heat. Going to lower your, okay, then allow this to cook. I see our cozze. Let me test. It doesn't take time to get ready, guys. I'll be testing this one. Good bon. To get ready, I'm going to turn it again. Right, guys. So I just give it a stir. You can see. So I leave it for 1 second. Then I'm going to take it off. Okay. The cozze is ready. You can see. Che buono. Che buono. Che buono. And see, we are going to be eating it right away. Che buonissimo. Can see, this is our cozze. Can see, take it like this. You eat it. You eat this that is inside. You don't eat the back. You eat the inside. Can see how. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching to this extent. Don't forget to like, subscribe, press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you, guys. Bye. Ciao, ciao.